So welcome students. So in this question you are given that there are two parabolas with same focus, one with directrix as x-axis, the other with directrix as y-axis. So in that case, what is the slope of the common chord? Now how do we start this? So let us first find the equation of one parabola and then the other parabola, and then let us try to find the equation of common chord. So what is the first parabola? So let us take the first parabola as having the directrix as x-axis. The focus is a comma b and the directrix is x-axis. The directrix is x-axis. So what is the equation of, what is the vertex of this? What is the vertex of this? So the vertex is the same x coordinate a comma b by 2, and the distance between the focus and directrix is b. That means the lattice rectum is 2b. So the equation is, this is a vertical parabola, so it will be of the form x square is equal to 4ay. So x minus a whole square is equal to lattice rectum, which is 2b, into y minus b by 2. So this is a vertical parabola with vertex as a comma b by 2 and the lattice rectum as 2b. Similarly, what is the equation with a comma b as focus and y axis as the directrix? In that case, that will be a horizontal parabola and the vertex will be a by 2 comma b this time, a by 2 comma b. So the equation will look, so y minus b whole square is equal to, the lattice rectum is 2a this time, 2a into x minus a by 2, x minus a by 2. So these are the two parabolas that you have. So for these two parabolas, you are asked to find the length of the common, so the slope of the common chord. So what is the common chord for these two parabolas? What is the common chord for these two parabolas? So effectively we need to get these points and get this line. So how do we do this? So to do that, let us first expand this and see how the equations are looking like. So x square minus 2ax plus a square is equal to 2by minus b square. That's the first equation, that is x square minus 2ax minus 2by plus a square plus b square is equal to 0. That's one equation. And the other equation becomes something like this. So y square minus 2by so minus 2ax plus b square plus a square is equal to 0. Now to find the common chord of this. So in theory we know that, so if you have one curve s is equal to 0 and if you have an next curve s dash is equal to 0, s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0. Some curve, some quadratic curve, if s and s dash are quadratic curves, s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0 also passes through the points of intersection of these two curves. So now if you subtract one from the other, this is s is equal to 0 and this is s dash is equal to 0, this is the second curve. So what is s minus s dash? So you have, if you take s minus s dash, so these two gets cancelled out. So you have x square minus y square, x square minus y square, minus 2a times x minus y, minus 2b times y minus x is equal to 0. So this implies if you take x minus y as common, you get x plus y minus 2a. If you take x minus y as common, plus 2b is equal to 0. That means you have a pair of lines x minus y into x plus y minus 2a plus 2b is equal to 0. That means this pair of lines passes through the points of intersection of these two curves. So obviously one of the line has to be the common chord. Obviously one of the line has to be the common chord. So this has a slope of 1, this has a slope of minus 1. So that means the common chord can have a slope of 1 or minus 1. The common chord has a slope of either plus 1 or minus 1. So because one of these two curves might pass through these points of intersection of these two parabolas. So 1 or minus 1 will be the right answer. Thank you.